Hello folks, this is Beach Adventures with Chris and it's time to start the beach season 2026 on this 2nd of March. Wonderful sunny day here in Stockholm, 5 degrees Celsius in the air and only sun overall. As it has been quite cold in the past few weeks, minus this last one, you see that the lake it is still frozen. This is Lake Magelungen and I am at Fagersjö Badbrygga. And this piece of open water here means that someone has been here for a dip. I actually went here the other day and it looked a bit filthy, but now the people that has went for winter bath before me have cleaned it up, so thank you for that. And yeah, I feel like it's time to start the season. Last year I started it at 6th of March, I believe, so now 4 days earlier. But let's see if I'm really going to go in, because even though it is 5 degrees Celsius in the air, it's a bit chilly with the wind breeze. So let's get going and get changed to my speedos to go in the icy water. It should be around 0 degrees in the water. I don't have the thermometer, but we are gonna find out. Let's go! And I'm in my speedos and ready for this winter ice dip, which is the first beach day of the season 2026. So let's get started by crashing some ice and make it look satisfying. Okay, it's just a very thin layer of ice here. And it looks satisfying indeed. The water is freezing indeed, and it's going to be so amazing to dive in. And yeah, I'm now on the ice, as you can see. So let's make it quick and nice. Dip into the ice. Let's go. It is so chill. Ooh. It is very, very chill indeed. And you know what? It is okay, it's a bit it is a bit messy beneath, so I will need to be very quick with my dip in order not to make right. And which means that now Chris is ready for the first swim or dip of the season, that is 2026. I don't think it will get much cleaner than this, and my hands are freezing. So let's get going. Are you ready? Because I am. Ooh. It's freezing. It's freezing, but I am going in. Okay. Ready? Ooh. Set. and go! Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh. It was different. It was ice cold, but I made it. I made it. Whew. The first ice bath of the season. Amazing, amazing and cold. Whew. Yeah, Adventures with Chris have initiated on the 2nd of March 2026 with this quick dip in this frozen lake where I am right now. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!